Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook. Today we are going to learn from page number 7. Look at this, children. A insects. A igloo. Listen again, children. A insects. A igloo. A insects. A igloo. Now say with me, children. A insects. A igloo. A insects. A igloo. Children, now you have to read these words. This word is insects. Look at this, children. This is insects. Say again, children. This word is insects. And this is igloo. Listen again, children. This word is igloo. Look at this, children. This is igloo. This word is insects and this word is igloo. Children, now say with me, insects, igloo. Insects, igloo. Children, now you have to trace these words. You have to trace the word insects, and then here you have to trace the word igloo. Children, now you have to write these words here. You will write the word insects here by yourself, and then you will write the word igloo here by yourself. Look at this, children. J, jeep. J, jump. J, jeep. J, jump. J, jeep. J, jump. Now say with me, children. J, jeep. J, jump. J, jeep. J, jump. Let's read these words, children. This is jeep. Look at this, children. This word is jeep. Now say with me, this word is jeep. Say again, children. This word is jeep. And this word is jump. Look at this, children. This word is jump. Listen again, children. This word is jump. This is jeep and this is jump. Now say with me, children. Jeep, jump. Say again, children. Jeep, jump. Children, now you have to trace this word jeep, and then you have to trace this word jump. And here, children, you have to write these words by yourself. You will write jeep here, and then you will write jump here by yourself. Look at this, children. K, key. K, king. K, key. K, king. K, key. K, king. Children, now you have to read these words. This is key and this is king. Let's read again. The word is key and this word is king. This word is key and this word is king. Listen again, children. This is key and this word is king. Now say with me, children. This word is key and this word is king. Say again, children. Key, king. Children, now you have to trace these words. This is key and this is king. Children, you will trace key and you have to trace the word king. Children, here you have to write these words. You will write the word key here by yourself, and here you will write the word king by yourself. Look at this, children. L, lemon. L, lock. L, lemon. L, lock. L, lemon. L, lock. Children, let's read these words. This is lemon and this is lock. This word is lemon and this word is lock. Listen again, children. This word is lemon and this word is lock. The word is lemon and this is lock. Now say with me children, this word is lemon and this word is lock. Say again children, lemon, lock. The word is lemon and this word is lock. Children, here you have to trace these words. This word is lemon, you have to trace the word lemon, and this is lock. Children, you have to trace this word lock. And here children, you have to write these words. You will write the word lemon here and you will write the word lock here by yourself. Let's read all the words. Insects, igloo, jeep, jump, key, king, lemon, lock. Say again children. Insects, igloo, jeep, jump, key, king, lemon, lock.